I would like to have for dealing with fractions, and also that the student would. So it's based on the number line. So it would consist on a number line where you have here 0, and then you have 1, 2, 3, etc. You would have so the numbers on the line, okay, equally distributed, and you would have here the representation of the fraction, where you would have two boxes with on the side eventually a spinner, but the student could also enter the number directly. So what I would like to have would be that I would either use the spinner here or entering a number, imagine 5, and as soon as I have the 5 here, then I get a regular subdivision. So immense of 5 regular equally weighted parts, and eventually with a button over here one could show 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, etc. So that we could see also the numbers here. But as soon as you enter the number here, then he would move his point over here. And this one can only be activated if the lower part has been set up. So that, for instance, if you wanted to show which one is bigger, so that you could take the same below, and you make 5/6, and in the beginning you would have always the same subdivision here. Now this is not subdivided into but into 6 equal parts. So here also 6/5, 7/5, etc. So then we have 6 equal parts, and as soon as we put in here 5/6, so I have 5/6, and then you could see that 5/6 is on they're on the same line, but clicking on them you could compare their position. So this would be tool version 1. A second, more elaborate version could be the following. You would have the spinner, and here on the denominator you would have a second spinner, and this one is the guy which amplifies or simplifies. So at this point, let's say if I start with 4/5, then I have 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have the 5 subdivisions: 0, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. Now let's say let's take here 7/5, so 5/5, 6/5, 7/5. And then what would be really, really interesting, so that I could use the second spinner here. And if you use the second spinner, at that time appears the regular elements here are subdivided. So imagine that these are subdivided by 3. So that below appears not only the one, so that each one is subdivided, and then you see here then, this is not 1/5, but it is 3/15. So here appears the times 3, and on the same level appears here the times 3 also, because it still remains the same point. At the end, 7/6 is here. But you could see it's always 7/6, but also 21/15 if they are, sorry, wrong color, if they are on this page here, so that they're looking for it. So this would be an interesting thing. What do you think about this? The next step would be interesting if you want, what we could also represent it here as a length, not only once as a point, and also as a length here. And if you could take both and add them, it will be on the second part of the idea.